How to unlock chat on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can unlock chat on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed in your device. If not, you can simply update it through the Play Store in your device. Once you complete the update, now open up the WhatsApp application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, if you scroll down a bit, there you will get the option as locked chats at the top of this interface. So tap on that. Again, you have to enter your PIN. And once you get in this interface, there you will get to see all the profile that you have locked in WhatsApp. So tap on that account. Again, go to the profile name from the upper right corner. Again, scroll down a bit, then turn off this toggle that says chat lock. And again, enter your fingerprint. And with that, this chat is unlocked again. And that's how you can simply unlock chat on WhatsApp. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.